You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this expression. This is an abbreviation, if you wish, for shall not. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary like this in English, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. This is short form of shall not. The British English pronunciation is pronounced as shan't. Shan't. In American English, it's quite similar a pronunciation as shan't. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.